Good morning, class 2. Welcome to your GK class, children. This is your junior knowledge class. So take out your GK book. This is your GK book, junior knowledge part 2, and today we will do chapter 17 of your book. Okay, so open your book at page number 27. This is page number 27. Okay, and this is the chapter that we will do today. Okay, we'll have some more information about the ports, then airports, stations, etc. Okay, so here in this page, on this page we can see 5 pictures given. So look at the picture and relate if you can reflect back whether you have seen these places or not. See, this is a picture given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 pictures you can see. Open your book, you can see. Right, now let us read. What is this? Can you say? This is a train, right? So this is a train. Now this is a bus. So let us read. What can we learn something more about this thing. Okay, now what we have to do here is we have to write T for the true statement and F means false for the wrong statement. Means for the incorrect statement we have to write false. If it is wrong we have to write false. If the statement is correct we have to write T means true. Okay, we will read one by one all the sentences and look at the picture and try to reflect what we have seen in our daily life, right? Let us see. Number 1, A. So in here 5 picture we can see, and here 4 statement for each picture we can see. On the right side, first one we can see the picture, and in the left hand side we can see 4 statement related to the picture. See, number 1, this is a railway station. See, we can see a metro train, right? It is a metro train. We can see here beautiful train, right? So is this is a railway station, number A option. So is it correct? Is this a railway station or a bus stop? It is a railway station, as we can see many passengers, the platform and a train standing there, right? So this is a railway station. Is it true or false? It is true. It is correct. So what you'll write here, you can see a blank there. You will write T. T means true, like this. You'll write T. T means true. Now number 2, second option. What is the second statement? This is an airport. Is this an airport? No, this is not an airport because we cannot see a plane, a single plane, aeroplane here, right? So this is an airport. It is false statement. You will write F. You will write F here. Okay. Then come to the next one. See, stations have only one platform. Have you been to any railway station? Are there only one platform? No, there are many platforms, right? So stations have only one platform. It is wrong. So you'll write F here also. In number C also you'll write F. Okay, you'll write F in number C also. Now let us see number D. We get on a train from platform. Yes, if we need to go to somewhere, go to some places on a train, then what happen? We have to get on a train from a platform. Yes, so it is true. So you'll write true like this. True, false, false, true. Okay, now we'll move to the second picture. What can we see here? Number 2, let us say this is a bus station, this is a petrol station. We buy petrol and diesel here. We get on bus here. So is this a bus stop? Is this a bus station, bus stop? No, here we can see this place. Whenever we see this thing, we understand that it is a petrol pump. We also call it petrol pump or petrol station, right? So this is a bus station? No. So you'll write F, false in the first statement. Then come to number B option. This is a petrol station. Yes, it is a petrol station. We can get petrol here. So number 2 option will write T. Number 1 false. Number 2 is true. Then come to number 3 statement. Number 3 statement. We buy petrol or diesel here. Yes. So this is also true. Number C is true. Then number D. Number D is we get on buses here. No, if we want to get on a bus, we have to go to a bus stop, a bus station, right? So this is also false. So first one is false, second one is true, then also true, then again false. Okay, now here we can see something. See this blue sea, right? So these are what? These are ships. Now let us see what is given here in number C. This is a factory. Is this a factory? No, this is not a factory, so it is false. Okay, number 3, A option is false. First statement is false. Then number 2, this is a port, right? Yes, it is a port. Number 3 is true. Number 3B is true. Number 3B is true. This is a port. So port is a place where ships stop, isn't it? Where ships, they stop at a port, they unload and they load things there, isn't it? Now number C is ships stop at ports. Yes, it is true. Ship stops at a port. Then number D option, let us see what is there. Rivers do not have ports, right? We do not find ports on rivers, right? Isn't it? Rivers don't have ports. Only seas has ports, right? So here it is also true. So false, true, true, true. Okay, number 3. Then number 4 option, let us see what is this. This is an aeroplane, right? Now the planes are at an airport. We can see 2 planes. So the planes are at an airport. Yes, true. So 4A is true. 4A is true. Then 4B, planes may load and or unload goods at airport. Yes, the plane, they load and they unload goods at an airport. This is also true. B is also true. Then number C. Number C is airports have long runways. Yes, these are the runways. Okay. Okay, from this runways, the aeroplanes, they take off. Okay, and they land. See here. So we can see this. Airports have long runways. Runways are very long. So it is true. Number C is also true. Number D, planes land on and take off from runways. Yes, from these runways the planes, they take off, isn't it, and they land on. So here all are true. All the statements are true. Then come to number 5. This is a helipad. See this, you can see what is this. This is an helicopter, right? It is an helicopter. So we call the place where they stop, it is called what? From a place from where they take off and they land on is called helipad. Okay, so this is a helipad for helicopters. Yes, true. Number 1 is true. 5A is true. Then 5B, helipads are much smaller than airports. Yes, airports are much bigger than helipads. So yes, helipads are much smaller than airport. So it is also true. Then come to number C. Number C is aeroplanes can land on helipad. No, aeroplanes, they cannot land on helipad. So it is false. Okay, number C is false. Number C is false. Then number D. Number D is helicopters can land at airport and helipad. But helicopters, as they are smaller in size, they can land at airport as well as on helipads. Okay, so this is also correct. This is true. This is true. True, true, false, true. Okay, done. So 1 is done. Then 2. Then this is 3. This is 4. And this is 5th one. So here we have got, in this chapter we have got more information about an airport and a port, a station, etc. Whatever is done, you learn this. Okay, do it properly in the book. Okay, do it properly. So the question may come, where does an aeroplane land? So you have to write airport, isn't it? This way. Where do we get petrol from? We get petrol from a petrol station, right? this way which question may come, so you prepare yourself in this way. Okay, so port is a place where sheep they load and unload goods, right? Sheep they load and unload goods at a port. Okay, so this type of thing you learn from this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.